quiet. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's just sitting there. You know, I'm not too sure about what to do. I don't want to scare it. No, it's just sitting there. Maybe it's a baby. I think it actually is a baby. And its parents are looking for it because the birds were just going crazy. So I've come out to have a look what's wrong. Yeah, that's a baby. Pity I don't have a cage. No, I wouldn't do that, but it's a baby. Yeah, look. It's a baby. It's definitely a baby. Now it's moving around a bit. Baby parrot. Baby parrot's definitely a baby parrot, you see. How it's got fluffy feathers at the front. More so than the others. If I put a bit of sunlight on it, I'll move the chair back a bit. It's very, very quiet, very, you know, calm. But this baby parrot's lost its parents. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to put my smell on it. Look, go and have a look. It's a baby parrot. I don't know what to do. I don't really want to touch it. But it's definitely a baby. You see its feathers are barely formed. It's not a confident, moving about creature yet. Hasn't developed its flying skills. I guess it's been with its parents flying about, but now it's been lost. Hello, little critter. Hello, little fella. Found this little baby parrot outside the door, and we've given it some water, and it's definitely a baby because you can tell by its feathers they're barely formed properly. You know, they're not smooth along its body, so the waxing in its coat hasn't happened properly yet, so it's still a baby. You see its face, it looks pretty docile. It's not aggressive, it's pretty calm. Doesn't seem too scared, but seems to be wanting to live amongst me little chili plants and little ferns and things here.